recognize first off that you are a being. As awareness being, you have no need of anything. You are fulfillment itself. You misidentified the body, the mind, its feelings as you. And both the body and the mind and the feelings have duality in them. They have opposites, which is the nature of conditional experience. Has opposites in it, light and dark, windy and still, up and down. The nature of the human body is opposites, but it's not your nature. Your nature is pure being. So whatever you're in, be you in it. But that will start to undo all the conditions that you, awareness, put onto yourself. You'll be facing your conditions. Only to master your conditions in the unconditional love that you are. That alone will make the conditions to reflect back the image of love and light that you actually are, until you don't need a reflection to be what you are. That's what's happening.